Customize your iPhone lock screen.
Hello, and welcome to our tech tutorial. Today we're tackling a question that's on the minds of many iPhone users. Is it possible to disable the clock on my iPhone lock screen? Let's dive right into it and find out.
Can you disable the clock on the iPhone lock screen?
The first thing we need to address is whether it's actually possible to disable the clock on your iPhone lock screen. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Apple does not provide an option to disable or remove the clock from the lock screen on its iOS devices. The clock is considered a core part of the lock screen interface, and removing it would significantly impact the functionality of the lock screen.
Are there any workarounds?
Since we've established that there's no official option to remove the clock from your iPhone lock screen, the next question might be, are there any workarounds? Well, while you can't disable the clock, you can customize your lock screen to make it more personal and less cluttered. For example, you can choose a minimalist wallpaper that doesn't interfere with the clock, or you could minimize the number of notifications appearing on your lock screen. However, do note that any significant changes to your iPhone's user interface, like removing the clock, usually involve jailbreaking your device. Jailbreaking refers to the process of removing software restrictions imposed by Apple on iOS, and it can be a risky process that voids your warranty and may make your device more susceptible to malware and other security threats. So, to sum up, while there isn't an official way to remove or disable the clock on your iPhone lock screen, you can still make small customizations to the lock screen for a cleaner look. And remember, before attempting any significant alterations like jailbreaking, make sure to consider the potential risks and implications. We hope this video has been helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.